A secured credit card from Bank of America uses your own deposit as collateral, which means your credit limit is usually tied directly to how much money you put down up front. By the end, you'll know if this card is actually worth using to build credit, how it compares to other secured cards, and what makes it useful or limiting depending on your situation. Start with how it works in practice. You put down a refundable deposit, and that amount becomes your credit limit. If you deposit more, your limit goes up. If you keep the account in good standing, that deposit is usually returned later if the account is upgraded or closed in good standing. The main purpose here is credit building, not spending flexibility. Every on-time payment gets reported to the major credit bureaus, and that reporting is what helps your credit profile grow over time. If payments are missed, those also get reported, which can slow down your progress. Now look at where Bank of America stands out. One advantage is that it comes from a major bank with a full banking ecosystem. If you already bank with them, it can be easier to manage everything in one place, especially payments and transfers. Another key factor is graduation potential. Many secured cards are designed to eventually convert into unsecured credit cards once your credit behavior improves. With Bank of America, that upgrade path exists, but it depends on how consistently you manage the account over time. Now the trade-off. Compared to some newer secured cards, this one is more basic. There are fewer extras designed to keep you engaged, like strong rewards systems or flexible credit building tools. That can be a good thing if your goal is discipline, but it can feel limited if you want more features while building credit. So the decision comes down to what you value more. If you want a simple traditional secured card from a major bank with a clear credit building purpose, this fits well. If you want rewards or faster feeling perks while building credit, other secured cards may feel more dynamic. Quick recap: this card uses a deposit as your limit, reports activity to credit bureaus, and is built for steady credit rebuilding. It's simple, but that simplicity is also its main limitation. Next step is straightforward. Only choose this if you want a basic, no-frills path to building credit, and you're already comfortable banking with Bank of America. If this breakdown helped, like and subscribe for more clear credit card reviews without the marketing noise.